Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. It's good to see you. Welcome back to another episode of My Garage is Destroyed and I really need to clean it. But first, so where are we at with the DA? A lot of things going on with the DA. We were tearing the entire interior apart because of the AC. Figured it out. It was the ECU. And then we kind of figured it out, it might have been the wire, so I've got the other ECU back in. It seems to be working. So everything seems to be working. I can finally start to put the bottom half of the interior back together. Also, shout out to Resto Tuner once again. Replacement stuff for, you can see like the AC button and the hazard, and those are kind of worn. Shout out to Resto Tuner. We're going to be redoing some of these, which is really great. Can't wait to put some of these on. And what's cool is, I don't know if you can notice here, he sent a couple of like little tools here. Yeah, he sent a couple of little tools, another little thank you note from Ben, thank you so much, which should help with the installation and peeling of these little labels on the buttons and stuff. Also switched out to a red JDI push button start. So we're gonna try to get this stuff together. And of course, Dragon Spec shifter is going to be perfect with our hybrid racing shifter. So we're going to be getting that installed because it really needs to be a little bit higher up. I'll go into that later why, but first we're going to try to install some of these Resto Tuner stickers. How to shoot something that's incredibly difficult. All right, so if you notice here in this bottom corner, I've began to lift up the original decal, but I'm not actually dragging, I'm almost pushing it off. Oh. There she goes. There's the old decal there. All right, so clean it with the alcohol pad. She clean. Very carefully get this cruise going here. Okay, so I've got Mr. Cruz here with the little tool that they provided me. Now, while trying to film it, place it on. Breathing very heavily. That's it. Okay. Got it on there. I'll take this guy here. Amazing. A little bit off in that top corner, but fit on there pretty good. I do have another one that I could try and fix. This was my test one because I don't have cruise control currently in the vehicle. It is still wired for it, and I kind of want to use it, but I'd have to get the steering wheel stuff and do it off to the side. But this is why I was trying to use this guy. We're going to try to move on. That doesn't look bad. Now that I've done one, I'm going to try to move on and do another. Obviously, the hazard one was the one I picked up next. I literally hit the corner, and she shot off like a rocket and went somewhere into the garage. I don't know where that went, but that's good because it came off nice and clean. And so I'm going to alcohol wipe it and clean off any residue. See if we can put this bad boy on nice and straight. Lay it in the corners. Oh, she's looking nice. Ooh, she looking nice. Perfect. That looks phenomenal. So we're going to move on to the next one. Next one is certainly the fog lamps one. So again, I'm going to try to peel this guy off, hit it right here in the corner. I'm not trying to get underneath it and scrape it up. I'm literally trying to get under the corner and push. I've got the light on this guy. Same thing. You see I pushed on a little corner down there. It was a little tough. And then she flew off way up there. So, all right, now we're going to put the fog light one on. So yeah, okay, we just alcoholed this guy. Don't forget, there's a little section you got to peel out for the light. Another one, man, that looks phenomenal. Resto Tuner for the win. Defrost up next. All right, popped it off. Now we're going to alcohol it and slap the new one on. Blow dry that bad boy. Let me get the new one on. Look at that. I mean, to be honest with you, this isn't like the easiest thing in the world, but it's pretty easy. The results are phenomenal. Like, I mean, you just can't argue with that. It's brand new. Okay, so the mirror one, I'm not too sure about. I don't think this one actually has a label on it. I could be wrong, but it looks printed on there. And this one looks really good. I think I'm gonna leave this one for now. Now we're gonna work on the AC button. The AC button is really the one that I wanna get. She looked nasty. So let me try to peel old girl off of here and see what we get. I got it. I had to take this switch out. I could not get it, and I kind of went around in a circle because I didn't want to scratch the face, but got it off. Now we're gonna alcohol it, throw the new label on. Okay. This is awesome. It's even got a little indentation at the bottom, if you can see. This thing has a little indentation on the bottom, so I'm gonna nail that little indentation. That should keep it straight, okay? And then just, oh my God, I love it. It's so beautiful. Perfect. I mean, look at that, son. That's amazing. Look at that. That's just awesome, dude. Hey, how you doing? Let me get old girl out of here. Clean this garage up. We got a full trash can we need to throw out. I don't know if you've been in the Southeast, but the pollen has been ridiculous. Get that red button. So yeah, wow, okay. Yeah, the Resto tuners. Oh my God, it looks absolutely phenomenal. So nice and clean. I do need another clamshell. This clamshell is pretty scratched up, but the Resto tuner stuff looks amazing. I've actually got the new piece here that I still haven't installed. It's kind of a pain to get all that. Oh, and my favorite part, AC is working properly. Yes. And it is feeling icy. So, you know me, dog. I'm very happy about that. Another thing is, don't forget the sunglasses and shift knob bundles. Dragon Spec shift knob bundles are still available. We're going to be doing the giveaway the next couple weeks. We've only got a couple weeks left on it, and then we're going to be doing the giveaway. First place is a set of Graham lights, 15x8s, 4x100, plus 35 in mag blue. My dream wheels, actually giving them away. So now I'm kind of hoping one of you takes the cash option, and there is cash options if you don't want the actual stuff. So yeah, super excited about that. Go get them because we only have we don't have that many left. So go get you a bundle at thedragonspec.com while you still got a chance, and you're automatically registered for the giveaway. And thank you guys so much for everybody that has bought some Dragon Spec stuff up until now. So thank you guys. Let me get this garage cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll come back. 7 hours later. Okay, the garage is actually finally cleaned up. It doesn't look like much, but it actually is nice and cleaned up and organized. It's all my crap over there, and it's all the good stuff. Now, don't forget, we're giving these wheels away. They're sitting in the corner. Don't forget. Fresh, brand new in the box. These could be yours. That's them, bro. Double check them. Look at it. Made in Japan. All right, I've got the garage door closed. Trying to really get the best shot I can. So big shout out to Resto Tuner. I'm gonna open up the garage here. Just to be 100% clear, I have ordered plenty of stuff from Resto Tuner, and they have sent me some stuff, to try out and stuff. And everything that they have sent me, I've been super happy with, super impressed with. This is not a video that they asked me to make either. It's just been helping me sort of keep this DA really nice, clean, and fresh. And I'm sure you guys have seen the the bolts under the hood. The fresh zinc stuff, which looks phenomenal. I've got some more decals that I need to put on. If you're looking to restore your EG, EF, DA, DC, go to restotuner.com and check out all the awesome stuff that they offer. This is the bad boy for tomorrow. There's going to be an upload tomorrow. We're going to be installing the ASR rear sway bar with blocks and links, and we've got other stuff we're going to be uploading throughout the week, getting everything ready for the show later this weekend. So thank you guys so much for all the support. Be looking for another video tomorrow where we're going to be installing the ASR rear sway bar and links, and then we're going to be installing a hybrid racing shifter and more stuff where we're just waiting on parts to show up. Got a lot of suspension stuff. We're going to be uploading more, so look for more videos during the week on a consistent basis. At least that's my plan. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next one. Peace.